Urdu language, member of the Indo-Aryan group within the Indo-European family of languages. Urdu is spoken as a first language by nearly 70 million people and as a second language by more than 100 million people, predominantly in Pakistan and India. It is the official state language of Pakistan and is also officially recognized, or scheduled, in the Constitution of India. Significant speech communities exist in the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, and the United States as well. Notably, Urdu and Hindi are mutually intelligible. Urdu developed in the 12th century CE from the regional Apabhramsha of northwestern India, serving as a linguistic modus vivendi after the Muslim conquest. Its first major poet was Amir Khosrow, 1253–1325, who composed dohas, couplets, folk songs, and riddles in the newly formed speech, then called Hindi. This mixed speech was variously called Hindi, Zabani Hind, Hindi, Zabani Delhi, Rekta, Gujari, Deccani, Zabani Urdu Imwala, Zabani Urdu, or just Urdu, literally the language of the camp. Major Urdu writers continued to refer to it as Hindi or Hindi until the beginning of the 19th century, although there is evidence that it was called Hindustani in the late 17th century. Hindustani now refers to a simplified speech form that is the Indian subcontinent's largest lingua franca.